Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number, and the first one is using directly the contact list and the saved contacts, and the other one is by using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the contact list. Let's open the dialer, go to the contacts, find the contact you would like to block and tap on it. Now here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see we've got the option block numbers, so let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option. So all you have to do is to simply tap on block, and as you can see by this icon, or because it is set here, you can say that and you can check that this number has been blocked successfully. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So the other option to block a number is by using the settings. So we've got the contacts, recents or favorites. It doesn't really matter on which you will be. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner again and tap on the settings. And here in the general section we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap, and as you can see this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine, we blocked the number successfully. And here from this step we can add a number, but here manually, so you do not have to save it on your contacts. Just tap on add a number, and as you can see here you can enter it freely. Let's tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got quite a cool option which is called unknown, and after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block all incoming calls from unidentified callers, so that's quite useful. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.